Hello and welcome back. This video, we're going to talk about how to set up and sell your white label review device using our new one-time payment and trial upgrade feature. This powerful addition gives you flexibility to sell devices up front and seamlessly transition clients into paid plans. You have 3 subscription options available for your review devices. We have the device-only plan, we have the full device and AI response account plan, which is the original full subscription that we offer, and we also have a mid-tier plan. This one enables interaction with Google Reviews, but does not include Twilio-powered text messaging features. We will cover more about the mid-tier plan in a separate video. These subscription plan options give you flexibility in how you onboard clients and scale your offerings. Let's walk through setting up the device-only subscription and assigning them to different locations. First thing we need to do is to create a fully paid subscription plan. To get started, click on the down arrow next to your agency name. Then click Subscriptions. Once we are on the subscription page, you'll notice that you already have one plan set up for you, which is our demo subscription plan. So now we need to set up a fully paid plan. To get started, click on the Create Plan button. This is where you're going to put all the information for your plan. You can give it any name you'd like. Now scroll down to where it says Price. This is where we need to put a price in. Put whatever price you want for this fully paid plan, but there has to be a price on it. Once you've put all the information in for your plan and selected the price that you wanted, go ahead and click Create to make this new subscription plan. This full subscription plan is the plan we've been using in the training videos up to this point. Now we're going to set up this plan to be used for our upgrade option. Also, you'll need to verify that you have your Stripe or API set up prior to creating this plan. Next, let's make the device-only subscription. Click Create Plan. Put all the information you want in for this plan, but now under Device, change that option to Yes, and you will see the options to fill out will change, getting rid of the Twilio options and the number of feedback requests per month. Put in the information and click Create to make this subscription plan. So now we have a device-only and a fully upgraded plan. So now we need to create an upgrade path to allow your clients the option to go from device-only to a full subscription. To do that, you'll need to click on the Assign Device Upgrade option and select your paid plan you just created. Note, only plans that have a monetary number attached will show on this list. Also, only one upgrade option can be assigned at a time. The assigned upgrade plan you pick here will show up as a pop-up on every login and in the sidebar for all device-only accounts. This is how you transition free users into paid subscribers. Now, we've made our subscription plans. Now we need to create accounts and assign these plans. So let's go back to your dashboard and click Create Location in the top right. Enter the information you would like for this account. On the bottom of the box, you'll see a drop-down menu for a subscription plan. Click the device-only plan that you just made. After you selected it, click Create. And as you can see on my dashboard, I have already created a device-only account and have assigned a device already. This is a free account that can hold unlimited devices. So now let's dig in deeper and take a look at what the customer would see when they log in to a device-only account. The first thing you'll notice, there's no account setup wizard to link to their Google business profile. The interface is much simpler. And you'll see that the feedback request feature is disabled. When they first log in, there'll be an upgrade pop-up. They will have to click the X every time they log in, and then that same information will be on the sidebar and will never go away. This lets you start selling immediately, even without Twilio or full Stripe setup. One thing to be aware of, to go back to your agency dashboard from a device-only account, you will have to log out of the device-only account first, and then re-log in back to your reviewly.ai. So now, once your customer is ready to upgrade, you can use a trial offer or a full pay option that automatically subscribes them on the spot. It can be monthly, annual, or lifetime. If they already have a card on file, it's a one-click upgrade. If not, the Stripe payment page will appear and unlock their account once completed. And that's how you set up and sell the white label review device using one-time payments, trial offers, and an upgrade path that converts. With flexible subscription plans, intuitive dashboard setups, and seamless upgrade flows, you're not just delivering a product, you're building a scalable system that empowers your clients and strengthens your agency. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@reviewly.ai.